Bathrooms. They're one of the most used spaces in any home, yet they don't often get the spotlight unless something goes wrong. But next time you're brushing your teeth or stepping out of the shower, take a look down. Chances are you're standing on either ceramic or porcelain tiles. In fact, those same tiles are probably halfway up your wall, behind your sink, maybe even covering your shower stall. Ever wonder why? Why these particular materials seem to dominate bathrooms in homes, restaurants, hotels, and public spaces? It's not just about style or habit. It's actually a fascinating combination of science, practicality, and history. Let's break it all down, right here, on History of Simple Things. Let's start with the most obvious issue: water. Bathrooms are wet, they're humid, they're full of splashes, drips, steam, and the occasional over-enthusiastic toddler. Most materials just aren't built to deal with that. Wood swells, paint peels, carpet. Well, let's just say that putting carpet in a bathroom is a bold life choice. But ceramic and porcelain? These two are water-resistant champs. When fired at high temperatures during manufacturing, their surfaces become dense and hard, which makes it incredibly difficult for water to seep in. Porcelain, especially, is known for being even more impervious to moisture than ceramic due to its lower water absorption rate, less than 0.5%. That's why it's often used on shower floors or other areas with constant exposure to water. So while other materials would buckle or mold in damp environments, ceramic and porcelain tiles just shrug it off. Here's another reason these tiles reign supreme in bathrooms. They're ridiculously easy to clean. Think about all the chaos that happens in a bathroom. Hair, soap scum, toothpaste globs. Let's not even get into what goes on around the toilet. So when it comes to keeping that space sanitary, you want a surface that won't hang on to grime. Ceramic and porcelain tiles have a smooth, non-porous surface. Dirt and bacteria basically sit on top, waiting to be wiped away. A quick spray of cleaner and a wipe with a cloth, and it's as good as new. And unlike porous materials like natural stone, which can stain or harbor germs in tiny crevices, glazed ceramic and porcelain don't let much in. It's not just about appearances either. This kind of cleanliness is important for health, especially in households with kids, pets, or immunocompromised family members. Bathrooms see a lot of action. Think about it. Morning rush hours, evening showers, multiple family members moving in and out, and don't forget guests. So, the materials in there need to hold up under constant foot traffic and the occasional drop blow dryer. That's another area where ceramic and porcelain tiles shine. They're not just pretty, they're tough. Porcelain, in particular, is known for its strength and resistance to cracking or chipping. It's made from finer clay and fired at higher temperatures, which makes it denser and harder. That means it can take a lot of abuse before showing any wear. This makes it especially great for bathroom floors, where durability is key. Plus, if a tile does happen to crack or chip, say from a heavy object falling, you can replace that single tile instead of redoing the whole floor. It's practical longevity at its finest. Now you might be thinking, wait, aren't tiles slippery when wet? Fair point. But here's where the tile world gets clever. Bathroom tiles, especially those meant for floors, are often manufactured with textured or matte surfaces to reduce slipperiness. Some even have small ridges or sandy finishes that improve traction. There are also anti-slip ratings to help people choose safer tiles for wet zones. The goal here isn't to create a slip and slide, but to provide a surface that balances ease of cleaning with real-world safety. For added grip, especially in showers or entryways, smaller tiles are often used, which means more grout lines, those little grooves between tiles, that also offer traction underfoot. It's a subtle but effective detail that helps reduce slips and falls, making bathrooms safer for everyone, especially kids and older adults. Let's shift gears from the practical to the aesthetic. Because let's face it, a bathroom should feel like a place you want to be, not just somewhere you have to be. One of the underrated superpowers of ceramic and porcelain tiles is their visual flexibility. They come in thousands of colors, patterns, shapes, and sizes. Want a Moroccan-inspired mosaic? Done. Prefer a minimalist white-on-white look? Easy. Love the appearance of hardwood but need something water-resistant? There are wood-look porcelain tiles that are shockingly convincing. And because these tiles are modular, you can mix and match styles, lay them in different patterns like herringbone or chevron, and create borders or accents. This customizability has made tiles a designer favorite. You get form and function, style that lasts. Tiles might not be the cheapest material up front, especially if you go for intricate designs or large porcelain slabs, but they're an investment that pays off over time. Their durability means fewer repairs. Their water resistance means fewer issues with mold or damage. Their timeless look means you're less likely to feel the need to remodel every few years. And with low maintenance costs, basically just cleaning, they end up saving you money in the long run. Some budget ceramic options are actually quite affordable, especially compared to natural stone or high-end waterproof vinyl. So whether you're building on a budget or splurging on a spa-like space, tiles offer excellent value. So, why are ceramic and porcelain tiles so common in bathrooms? It's not a trend. It's not just because that's what everyone else does. It's because over decades and even centuries, these materials have proven themselves. They resist water, hold up under pressure, clean easily, offer safety, support creativity, and they're surprisingly eco-friendly. They blend form and function in a way few materials can. The next time you're in a bathroom, take a moment to appreciate the tiles around you. They're more than just part of the decor. They're a small, elegant solution to a whole lot of everyday challenges. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.